How do supply chains drift even when forecast accuracy appears acceptable? Most organizations judge forecast performance by error magnitude. If actual demand is close to forecast, the plan is considered reliable. But accuracy measures dispersion. It does not measure direction. Forecast bias is directional. It reflects consistent overestimation or underestimation across cycles. A forecast can appear statistically accurate and still be structurally biased. When overestimation persists, procurement commits higher volumes, capacity loading expands, inventory accumulates across nodes. When underestimation persists, capacity appears constrained, buffers shrink, service exposure increases. In both cases, the network posture shifts. This shift often occurs gradually and without explicit recognition. Accuracy dashboards may remain stable, but the architecture is being tilted. Bias does not create volatility. It amplifies structural exposure to volatility. Because bias is directional, it accumulates. Each cycle compounds the prior skew. Over time, the supply chain no longer operates at its intended design point. The failure is not forecasting inaccuracy, it is uncorrected directional distortion. Strong supply chains do not ask only whether forecasts are close to actuals. They ask whether systematic skew is being identified and corrected before commitments propagate. Judgment test. If the same directional deviation persists across cycles, is it treated as noise or as a structural signal? In the next episode, we examine how capacity constraints interact with bias and uncertainty, and why structurally sound plans fail when constraints are treated as flexible assumptions. SCM Simplified. Supply Chain Management Made Simple.